By 2022, more than 82% of all consumer online traffic will be dominated by video. This is why I believe that bootstrappers across the world need to incorporate this as a part of their marketing strategy online. So in this episode of the Bootstrap Biz Advice Show, I'm going to walk you through my top 5 tips for how you can use video to market your business online. Let's hop in. Hi, I'm LaShonda, host of the Bootstrap Biz Advice Show, where I teach you how to grow your biz without breaking the bank. For those of you who are new here, the reason why I named this channel this is because I am passionate about removing the stigma for bootstrapping your business. Everybody has to start somewhere. So on this channel, I'm going to provide you with tips, tutorials, biz advice, and reviews to help you to navigate your journey, becoming an entrepreneur, growing your business, and eventually scaling it so others can help you as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, you're going to want to subscribe to my channel. I try to upload content at least once a week. The other place that my community congregates is inside the VIP Vault. This is where I provide you with cheat sheets, tutorials, checklists, and even stock photos for free. All you need to do is click on the link in my description, which is LaShondaBrown.com, and sign up for the VIP Vault. In a few weeks, we're going to be moving everyone from LaShondaBrown.com to the Bootstrap Biz Advice blog because I want a way to engage with you further. So I'm super excited for this moment in the life of the channel, and I hope that you all stick with me. If you appreciate the content that I provide, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and feel free to participate in the comments. This is your way of telling YouTube that this content, that this channel is providing you with value. At the end of the video, I'm going to ask you a specific question for the Bootstrap chat, but if you have anything you want to say, comments about the style of the video, the content provided, the channel itself, please feel free to engage with me. So now let's hop in to our top 5. Now, I believe that every business should have 4 types of videos, but I also believe that the number one thing that we all have got to embrace is the power of live streaming. Now, I started my marketing business, About 90 Marketing, live on the application Periscope. Now, Periscope is a live streaming platform that is owned by Twitter. But what happened is, as the popularity of Periscope began to increase, Facebook began to incorporate that feature into the Facebook app itself. All of a sudden, you didn't need to pre-record a video to post it on Facebook. You could actually go live. Your followers, your friends would be notified, and they could engage with you live on that broadcast. We are seeing Facebook Live being used much more than ever before, especially by news outlets. They have a channel, they have shows, and even news stations are seeing the validity of showing up live. And the biggest thing that I want to share with you is that is a way for you to engage with your audience and build a relationship and build trust. There is so much in this world right now that we can't trust. And so if you go live on that broadcast, no matter how polished and professional you appear, people will begin to relate to you face to face. Even on this channel, I spent years developing tutorials and never showing my face. And as soon as I turned that camera on and I began to speak to you guys directly, my channel started to grow like crazy. I have already doubled the size of my YouTube following since I started showing my face. That happened with pre-recorded video. Imagine what would happen if I went live. Now, most of the social media platforms allow you to do this: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So you decide where you feel comfortable. And what I recommend to a lot of people is start with a small audience. So live streaming is extremely important, but one tip that I would give you is please don't spend valuable time waiting for people to hop on. Every single live streaming option gives you the ability to put up the recording. Even Periscope, which used to delete the recording after 24 hours, allows that video to play and play and play. So if someone is watching the replay, you don't want them to have to sit through minutes of you saying, hey, we're gonna wait for more people to get on. Just hop into the content, acknowledge the fact that people are going to take their time and keep things moving along. Interact with the people in the comments as a way to stall a little bit before you put out that content. But if nothing else, remember that in 2020 and the years to come, we have all got to embrace the power of live streaming video. Now, for those of you who don't know, my husband actually owns a video production company called Life Focus Pictures. And it was because he had a skill set that I became an entrepreneur in the first place. And we began to bootstrap a company from the ground up. And as we began to interact with small businesses and nonprofits, we realized that we were creating the same video over and over and over again. And that type of video is an overview video, an about video. Whatever you call it, whether it's a branding video or one of those names, the point of this content is to share your story with people who choose to hire you. You don't have to be the only person in your niche if you clearly explain what sets you apart. And a fantastic way to do that is simply to show your face and the people that interact with you to do what it is that you do. Now, I recommend that your overview video, even if it is longer than a minute, that you have a version of that video that is only 60 seconds long. And here's the reason why. Every single social media platform will allow you to upload a 60-second video. If it is longer than that on Instagram, it will immediately turn it into an IGTV video, which may impact the amount of replays that video gets in your feed. So even if you do a longer version, feel free to post to Facebook, to Instagram, to YouTube, to Twitter, your 60-second overview video to explain what it is that you do and what sets you apart. I tend to use these types of videos to send to a client before I meet them. So we don't spend our time together focusing on me. I have the opportunity to completely focus on them. So there are lots of different ways that you can use an overview video or a brand video, but the important thing to remember is if you want to incorporate video into how you tell your story online, this is a fantastic place to start. Number 3 is testimonial. No one cares what it is that you do if your customers don't have anything positive to say. And while you can take recordings or handwritten testimonials, seeing that person face to face telling you about that company is going to be a powerful message. You see corporations use this technique all the time, but this is not just reserved for those big businesses. As a bootstrapper, you can get your following, your customers, to tell their testimonials using video as well. I actually just did this with my Canva Create-a-thon winner. I asked her if she would be willing to just film a short testimonial on her cell phone, giving her honest reaction to what it was like to work with me. Now, I'm gonna post that video on both Facebook and Instagram. And so not only are people going to see the before and after of her site, but they will get a chance to hear what she has to say about working with me. That's a fantastic advertisement for my business. And that is an evergreen piece of content. I can continue to use that again and again and again to get more customers. So if you have not filmed one of your customers talking about your business and the services or products you provide, go ahead and give that a try. Number 4 is a how-to or tutorial. And you guys know on this channel, I love to teach you how to do things. But I want to give a shout out to my friend, Tim Wilborn, because the way that he incorporates tutorials on his YouTube channel is absolutely genius. If you are a product-based business, show your customers how to use your products. Remember that YouTube is a search engine. So when people are searching for your products within Google, they may also find your YouTube videos about that same topic. They may also search in YouTube directly for that product, and then your video will pop up. Now, he shows people how to utilize the things that he provides in his online store, and then people can go directly to his store and purchase from him. So while he is providing value and establishing himself as a thought leader and an expert in his industry, he's also driving traffic actively to his e-commerce website. So if you sell products online, can you show people how to use your products? This could be anything from hair care products to software. But when you create how-to videos, not only are you going to educate your future customer, but you're also going to help the SEO of your website. Number 5 is product review. Now on my channel, I tend to review other people's products because I want to provide value to my bootstrappers. But in your industry, you could incorporate product reviews to help educate your current customers or your future customers. Say for instance, you are a CPA and it would be beneficial for you for your clients to have books that are in order. Perhaps talking about the benefits of QuickBooks could help you save time in running your business, allowing you to work with more people. So what if you did a video? The number 1 accounting software that every business should use. Not only can you provide value about QuickBooks, but perhaps there's an affiliate link for QuickBooks that you can put in the description. So even if you aren't doing the books for that business watching that video, you are driving traffic to your affiliate links. And by you appearing on that video, you are establishing the fact that you are a competent CPA, bookkeeper, accountant who can help them get their books in order. It's a fantastic marketing strategy without you beating people over the head. Before we say goodbye, I want to give you a quick recap of today's top 5. 5 ways that you can incorporate video in your business. Number 1, live stream. Number 2, overview video. Number 3, client testimonial. Number 4, how-to or tutorial. And number 5, product review. Let me know in the Bootstrap chat in the comments, which one of these 5 ways are you going to market your business in the next 6 months? Think about what is possible for you to do to help tell your story and leverage the way that online marketing is going in the future. Remember, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because I will teach you how to grow your biz without breaking the bank. Until next time, ta-ta for now.